lab we're going to set up DFS. First, we're going to go to server DC and go to manage, go to add roles and features, click next, click next, click next. We're going to scroll down and go to file and storage services and expand it. Expand file in ISCSI services. Select DFS namespaces, click add feature, and DFS replication. Click next, click next, click install. And I'm going to pause the video while this installs. Now that it's finished installing, we're going to click close. Now we're going to go to the file explorer, go to the C drive. We're going to right click, go to new, go to folder, and now we're going to type in project, and now we're going to enter the project folder. Right click, go to new, go to folder, type in team 1, and we're going to right click again, go to new, go to folder, type in team 2. Now we're going to add 2 text files, one to team 1 and one to team 2. So we're going to go to start, go to search, type in Word, and we're going to go to WordPad. Now we're going to type in, this is the team 1 project file. We're going to go to file and go to save as, go to plain text document. We're going to type in team 2 project file. We're going to go to the C drive and go to project, go to team 2, click save, click yes. Now we're going to exit out of Word. And as you could tell, team 1 has a file in it, team 2 has a file in it. So now we're going to go over to server B and go to manage. We're going to go to add roles and features, click next, click next, click next. Now we're going to scroll down and go to the file and storage services, go to file in ISCSI services, expand it, select DFS namespaces, click add features, and DFS replication. Click next, and click install. I'm going to pause the video while this installs. Now that it's done installing, we're going to click close. And now we're going to go to File Explorer. And we're going to go to the C drive. We're going to right click, go to new, go to folder, type in data, go to the data folder, right click, go to new, go to folder, type in team 1. We're going to right click, go to new, go to folder, and we're going to type in team 2. Now we're going to add text documents to team 1 and team 2. So we're going to go to start, go to search, type in Word, go to WordPad, now we're going to go up to File and go to Save As, Plain Text Document, as Team 1 Data File. We're going to go to the C drive and go to Data, go to Team 1, click Save, click Yes. Now we're going to type in, this is the Team 2 data file. Go to File, go to Save As, Plain Text Document. We're going to type in Team 2 data file. We're going to go to the C drive, go to Data, go to Team 2, click Save, click Yes. Now we're going to exit out of the WordPad. Now that we created Team 1 and Team 2 in the data file in Server B, and Team 1 and Team 2 project folders on DC. Now we're going to share them, so we're going to right click, go to properties, go to sharing, go to share, click share, click done. And now we're going to do that for all of the folders we created. Now we're going to go over to server B, right click, team 1, click share, click done. And now we're going to also do it for the rest of the folders we made. And now that we're done sharing them, now we're going to go to the server DC, and we're going to go to tools, and we're going to go to the DFS management. Now that we're on the DFS management, we're going to go to the namespaces and right click, go to new namespace. We're going to type in server DC and click next. Now we're going to go to namespace and go to new namespace. We're going to type in server DC, click next. We're going to type in student shares, click edit settings. We're going to go down to the option administrators have full access and other users have read and write permissions. Click OK, click next. We're going to select domain-based namespace and enable Windows Server 2008 mode. Click next, click create, and it's successfully created the namespace, so we're going to close. Now as you can see, the namespace has been created, so we're going to click on it. We're going to add the folders into the namespace, so we're going to right click, go to new folder. We're going to type in DFS team 1 project, and we're going to go to add, and we're going to go to browse, click on team 1, click next, click OK. As you can tell, it's added the folder to the target folder, team 1 project, and DFS team 2 project. Now we're going to add the ones off server B, and we're going to go to new folder, DFS team 1 data. We're going to click add. We're going to go to browse, and for the server, we're going to type in server B, click show shared folders. We're going to go to team 1, click OK, click OK. And as you can tell, team 1 data has been added. We did adding all the folders. We go down to the Explore Management, and we're going to go to the C drive. Tell DFS roots have been added. We're going to click and go into student shares, and as you can tell, all the folders are in here. To type in server DC and type in server B, click check names and click OK. Now we're going to click next. We're going to go to full mesh, click next. We're going to select next, select the primary member, which is server DC, click next. We're going to add the folders, so we're going to go to browse, and we're going to go to the project, go to team 1, click OK, click OK. We're going to go to add again, go to browse, we're going to go to the project and go to team 2, click OK, click OK. Now we're going to click next, and now we're going to click edit, and we're going to go to enabled, and now we're going to go to the local path folder and type /project /team 1 project, and we're going to click OK, and click yes. Next, now we're going to click edit, click enabled, go to the file path, type in C:\\, project, /team2 project, and click OK, click yes, click next, and now we're going to check the settings, and they seem to all be right, and we're going to click create, and it was successfully created. So now we're going to click close, click OK. I'm going to go to server B and go to the C drive. The project folder has been added to server B, and team 1 project has been added, and team 2 project has been added. You tell team 1 and team 2 is now on server B and server DC. Now we're going to add the data folders. Going to go down to the sample DFS and then right click, go to new replicated folders. Now we're going to select the primary member as server B and click next. Go to add and go to browse. We're going to go to data, go to team 1, click OK, and the permissions, we're going to exist permissions and click OK. Click add, go to browse, go to data, go to team 2, click OK, and the permission, existing permission, click OK. Now we're going to click next, and we're going to select edit, enabled. I'm going to type in C:\, data, /team1 data, and now we're going to click OK, click yes, and click next. We're going to go to edit and go to enabled, to type in C:\, data, /team2 data, and click OK. Click yes, click next, and check the settings, and they all seem to be correct. And we're going to go to create, and they have been created successfully, and click close, click OK. Now we're going to go to the File Explorer and go to the C drive, and as you can tell, data has been added. Team 1 data and Team 2 data has been added to the server DC. Now we're going to exit out